Right, I thought I'd show you my Abba skylift. Got it currently on me fireblade. Had this for a number of years, and what a piece of kit it is. Saves so much hassle on your knees working on the floor. You don't need to bend your back as much, and there's all different ways you can lift your bike up. I've currently got it set to level. I've got the peg in the axle, so what I'll do, I'll just lift it up. I've got a foot pump there. It does come off the floor pretty easily. Once it's off the floor, you can actually move it around easy enough, dead easy. It will never fall off. The bike won't fall off at all. It's basically like a normal Abba stand that goes into your frame, and then obviously you've got the pin that holds it on and an Allen key. Come back round, you've got the ram, obviously what lifts it up, but that'll go pretty high. You've got a locking pin there, which you can set it at different heights. But yeah, it's let it down. You can take the pin out. These fire blades don't come with bobbins, so what I had to do is make this out of a long bolt. Just fits into the axle. It's easy enough. So without the strap on, it's not enough to connect it to the back. So now what I can do is, if I want to work on the back wheel, so I want to take the back wheel out or work on the chain, I can take it up. Just take a fair few pumps to get up in the air as high as you want it. But I think once the back end's up as far as it'll go, I'm not sure if it's about 6 foot high, top of the bike. Well, I'm 5'6" and it's way above my head, so when the back wheel is up at the max height, I think the back wheel is more or less level with my chest. It's absolutely amazing to work on. Like I say, you don't have to crawl around on the floor, hurting your knees or bending your back, which you don't want to do. But what an awesome piece of kit these are. More or less at the top there. So as you can see, working on the back wheel now, it's just a breeze. So much easier for cleaning these spokes out on these blades, because they're a nightmare. And then if I want to do the chain, grease the chain up, it's easy enough to do. Clean all under the back here, or underneath if I want to lubricate all the shocker or anything like that. Obviously I've got to bend down a little bit, but it's neither here or there. Come over here, work on the brake, yeah, anything like that, or clean up anything, polish anything down, or get rid of the grime. It's just so much easier. If I come back round, let it down again, it's dead easy. So if I want to work on the front, I can lift the front up just as high. So what I'd do is take this bar out of here, the threaded bar, and then basically thread it into this nut here, the other side, this side. Put the strap around it, and then I put the strap around the frame. You can put it around the back wheel, but the frame is a lot easier. Put it around the frame, and then obviously pump it up again with your foot and bring the front end up. It's just so much easier. Unbelievable these tools are. So yeah, it's well worth the money. I think you can get them from Demon Tweaks for just under 400 quid. Whereas I got this, I think about 3 or 4 years ago, they were over 400. But luckily I managed to get this off Facebook Marketplace, just under 400, which was a pretty good at the time. But they are really heavy. They're heavy just on their own, but they are sturdy. Now once you've lifted the bike up, I have got the bike to the top, and I've actually sat on the bike, and it's not going anywhere. They're just so sturdy, and you know, you just got the benefit of, you know, working on the bike at height, and yeah, it's just a brilliant thing. So I thought I'd just show anybody who's looking into getting one, and how they work, and just how good they are. So I thought, well, I'll have a bit of a video on it, and just help somebody if they want one or looking to get one in the future.